What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Thai Light channel. I am standing in front of the oldest Catholic church in Ha Noi. This church was starting to build in 1884 and they started opening up in 1886. And this church right here was built based on the French colonies. And I just realized that I'm able to walk inside the church, so I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like from the inside. But we're gonna try to stay as quiet as possible because it is the church. We gotta have respect for the church. But I want to show you guys the outside first. This is the front of the church right here, guys, and you can tell by just look at the walls, the construction. It's very traditional. It's very classic. You can tell there's a lot of history on these walls. And imagine this church has been around since the Vietnam War. It's just all kinds of stories. Not at all. What's cool about this church that they actually let you go inside and take a look at the church. And of course we can walk around the church as we are doing this right now. Let me show you guys.
Daddy, can I see the rules? Can I see all of the rules?
What rules? I know. These are the rules that you have to obey when you guys walk into the church. Come over here, Carter, let's walk. Zoom out my camera so you guys can see the whole church, wall to wall. Carter, come here, baby. Carter, come here. Get back here, guys. Look at this wall. This wall of art. This was built based on the French colonies. Architecture resembled the Notre Dame in Paris. This is like a castle, dude. Look how big this thing is. So crazy. Man, this is breathtaking though. I mean, just look at the construction, man. I mean, this thing's been standing for over 1,000 years. Wow. Look how tall this is, man. I mean, just the construction itself is just amazing. There we go. We just walked around the whole church. We came in at the right time where it's not a lot of people. Wow.
Saying what thing?
Damn. We want to be as quiet as we can be in here. This is one of the oldest church in Ha Noi. This church started building in 1884 and they opened in 1886. And this was built during the French colony, so it represents like this construction architect of the French. But the main thing is that they want to take this church and resemble the Notre Dame in Paris. That's why they built the church looking like this.